Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to pin a post on your Facebook page. Now this tip is important if you want any of the posts you have on your page to stay at the top for your page visitors to see. So guys, let's get started. So the first step I have to take here is to go to my Facebook page. So once you're on your page, Facebook page, you need to make sure you have some posts on your page for this to work. So guys, this is actually the third post I have here on my Facebook page. So if I want to pin this to the top, all I have to do here is to come here and click on this three little dot, and once I do that, I will be presented with these options. So I'm going to come down here and select this one, which is pin to the top of page. So if I click on this and scroll up to the top, I'm going to find that post at the top. So here's the post. So you can find out that this post has been pinned. So this is where you can see it, pinned post, and that means that this post has been pinned to the top. Okay, let's say we want to pin another one to the top. So let's say I want to pin this one to the top. Okay, I'll still do the same thing. Come here, click on this three little dot, and then select pin to top, and then it goes up immediately. So I need to refresh this page. So after refreshing the page, let's see if we're going to find that post to the top of this page. So guys, look at it. Here's the post, and it's at the top of this page, and it has been pinned already. So guys, this is how to pin a post on your Facebook page. Hope this tip was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like, and remember to subscribe to this channel if you're new.